So what's so special about carbon? Let's look at the electrons. Carbon atoms have 6. The first 2 are in the inner shell, and the other 4 are the so-called valence electrons in the outer shell. These are the ones available for bonding with other atoms, which happens when 2 atoms share 2 electrons. Because elements in this part of the periodic table want to have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, carbon has a tendency to make 4 bonds. These can be single, double, or triple bonds, and with many different elements. In addition, while an atom that's bound to 2 or 3 other atoms will adopt a linear or flat shape, a carbon atom that's bound to 4 other atoms will take on a 3-dimensional shape, because that's how the electron clouds on the 4 atoms can be as far away from each other as possible. So it's the ability of carbon to bond in a wide variety of shapes with so many elements, including itself, that makes it so special. Also, carbon-carbon bonds are strong enough to be stable, but not so strong that they can't break and rearrange, which makes them excellent building blocks. When by itself, carbon has many allotropes, or ways an element can be arranged. There's the graphite in your pencil, which consists of slippery sheets of carbon that rub off easily. There's diamond, the hardest substance known, and we can even make interesting structures like nanotubes and fullerenes. That's just carbon by itself. When combined with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and a few other elements, it makes all the diverse structures in your body, including carbohydrates, proteins, and DNA. We can take nature a step further and synthesize novel materials with an array of purposes. Putting carbons in the empty spots of an iron lattice makes it stronger. We call this steel, which is used in most of the large structures we know today. Teflon, a carbon-fluorine polymer, is a non-stick substance that's highly resistant to chemical degradation. And carbon-based synthetic drugs like inhibitors that can silence a faulty enzyme hold the prospect of curing so many diseases. That's a lot of reasons to love carbon. It really is the element of life. See you next time.